क्लस्टर न्यूज टुडे और मैं हूं आपके साथ मानवी ठाकुर। शुरुआत करते हैं आज की खास खबरों से।
The 21 candidates have won unopposed.
मैं आपको बता दूं, this unopposed business that is going, that is another way of corruption, another way of ending democracy, where they settle, and I'm telling this with all responsibility, and the State Election Commission is turning a blind eye, where they settle with the opposition candidate, either by scaring that candidate, either by giving them threats of ED, CBI, income tax, or probably exchanging some money and getting them to sit so that they can win unopposed. This is another way of ending democracy. This is exactly what the BJP had been trying to avoid an election, and now that they know that it's a tough election, they're trying to buy out their victories. It's a shame, and it's a bigger shame that Election Commission is staying quiet.
Ma'am, how confident are you over MNS and Shiv Sena UBT alliance?
We are confident because Shiv Sena has been working with the people of the city, people of the state for over 25 years. People of Mumbai have given us the responsibility, have given a mayor who comes from Shiv Sena, and they will continue to give their faith, have their faith in us, to depose their faith in us. Right from hospitals to schools to water, to clean water. You are hearing cases of what is happening in Indore. Indore has been repeatedly called as the cleanest city of the country. What's happening there? Over 10 children have died. 10 people have died because of contaminated water. A few days prior to that, 26 children, young children had died due to contaminated cough syrup. While Mumbai has seen the city grow, public buses, public transport system getting stronger, BMC thriving. If you look at the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, it's running under a debt of over 1,500 crores, while we gave a deposit of over 90,000 crores, sit in our fixed deposits, which the BJP is trying to finish off. So this has been our work, and people of Mumbai trust Shiv Sena. For them, Shiv Sena is the lifeline of Mumbai, and they will again vote for us.
Ma'am, how do you see the politics over mayor? Some are claiming that North Indians will be the mayor. Some are
I don't know whoever's claiming it. You know, I'll tell you who's claiming it. It's the BJP. The BJP, Kripa Shankar Singh ji ने क्या कहा? मैं तो अभी भी कह रही हूँ कि अगर यहाँ का मेयर बनेगा, भूमिपुत्र बनेगा, शिवसेना और मनसे का बनेगा, और उसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। उसी चैलेंज से मैं अब आपको कहती हूँ, जाकर आप आशीष शेलार जी, अमित सातम जी, महायुति में जो भी बाकी उनके सारे मेंबर्स हैं, उनसे पूछिए उनका मेयर कौन बनेगा। तब आपको समझ में आएगा कि इनकी मंशा क्या है। दे आर ओनली स्पीकिंग टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट. We are speaking to ensure that people realize the work done under Uddhav Sahab Thackeray ji as a chief minister, and the 25 years of uninterrupted service that people had given to us, the charge of service that people had given to us for the people of Mumbai.
मैडम, राज ठाकरे और उद्धव ठाकरे की रिश्ता सामने के बाद किस तरह का प्रभाव पड़ेगा?
अच्छा ही प्रभाव पड़ेगा। अच्छे लोग जब एक साथ मिलकर अच्छी नीयत से, अच्छी मंशा से आते हैं, राज्य की मंशा से आते हैं, शहर की मंशा से आते हैं, तो उसका नतीजा अच्छा ही होगा, और अच्छे लोग हमसे जुड़ेंगे, अच्छे लोग विजयी बनेंगे, और अच्छे लोग का ही भूमिपुत्र मेयर बनेगा। वो है शिवसेना और मनसे का।
थैंक यू।